Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. I am your designing developer. Today I will show you how to build one ring central project in Java, and I hope you'll be also enjoying this video and this project also like enjoying my previous videos and previous project which we have just made in Java. So these videos just will be really helpful for you, and I hope this video will be just really enjoyable for you and you can learn more than enough things from that. If you are learning and watching the first video on my channel, so please hit the like to this video. If you are new on the channel, also hit the subscribe button. After that, also hit the notification bell from which you will be getting all the notifications of my video, and just also share the video with your friends so they can also learn these programming languages and all the other stuff which we are just uploading. So here these are some of the things which we'll be covering up. Like previously on, we have just covered up many of the things in JavaScript, React and Python and Django. Also you can check my Python Django projects. I have also uploaded the tutorial of that, and later on I will be uploading the tutorial of this Java also, which should be really helpful for you, and I am telling the things from beginners to advanced which will be just really helpful for you, and I hope you enjoy that all projects. So here just we'll be covering up that all projects, and now our beginner project is come to the end, and we'll be now starting the intermediate project forward on, but not from like tomorrow. We'll be starting that in future, but here first of all we have to cover the beginner series, and I hope we'll be covering up and you will be also learning some of the beginner project which will be really helpful for you. So just now we'll be starting with our project. So just like I'm telling you, we will be just building our project which name is like you can say ring central project. First of all, I want to show you how the project is looking and how we'll be just covering that. So if I just open my Google Chrome, so here I can show you the demo before starting the project. So if I open that, you can see there it is, our ring central added project. We are just getting, you can see that which is just looking really good. You can also say additional or added. It's your choice. I'm saying additional to that. You can see here it is written ring central added, and you can see the snap bar one previously on which we have just made the project of like Google Workspace. So these things are in Google Workspace only, just front page is changed. So we'll be just copying this code from the previous project which we have just made. You can see there it is, ring central added project. Here I will be just doing one thing now. Here we have just written by ring central, then we can install that, but only I make the button, not you can install that. Here I am just writing this words with this calendar and this email. Then it is rating here, and the installer of that is also written. Then if I scroll down, you can also see its overview, permissions, reviews, and you can also see two arrows which is just looking really good and having a back box shadow at the back which is just looking really good when we are just covering on that. If I scroll down, you can just read some of the text which I have written, overview and key features. You can press read mode to read that all things. Then the additional information is also just down here. So we'll be just building this project here. So here we'll be now starting with our project. Just open your VS Code here to just make this project here. I have already opened because the previous video and this video I am making in same time. So because of that my VS Code is just already opened. If I just open that, you can see now I have erased all the things which was just written in the previously. I am using the same file here. You can also use same file if you, but you don't use the same file because you can save your project which you have make and use another file with the same name you can do, and save in any other location. If you save in the same location where you have saved your previous file with the same name, so it will be just not be just saving, it will be asking to save on that or save on the duplicate of that. So if you press yes, so it will be saving on that, and your all the codes which you have done in the previous file will be just gone. So because of that, save in any other location. So here when you've done that, just I'll be making simply the same tag which I just made previously on like div class name, but I will be using some of the different things in that here. Just I'll be writing the class name of edit, then goes there, and I'll be moving down and write a tag which should be just like here signal controller, and here I'll be writing equals to edit. Then I'll be doing one thing, closing that here and writing edit dot signal dot controller. So you can just only use this div class name in any other like class, but you cannot use like this class name to any other one. Okay? So here I will be writing a tag which will be like range, you can say range use equal all. Here I'll be closing this and writing use dot range dot all. Then close this tag here. We have opened now by mistake. So here we have closed now. Then I will be moving down here and writing a tag which will be just like here active. Here I will be writing, you can say active object right here. Then write equals to, then write a tag which will be like help. When you done that, close this tag and make a curly bracket in which I will be writing file dot active dot object. Close this now from here, and here we have done with that all things. I will be making a tag which should be like here array. Then I will be writing bookword equals to init Then when you've done that, close this and make a curly bracket image. I will be writing a tag which will be like plain dot buffer. Here I'll be writing. Then I'll be writing dot array. Here just close this tag from here now. Then move down again. Write a tag which will be like here mode, and write here animation equals to. Okay, so right here equals to. Then I will be writing a tag which will be like selection. Close this from here, and then I will be just doing one thing. I'll be raising this one close tag which we have written here. So when you're done with that, make a curly bracket here and write a tag which will be like mode.selection.animation. Close this from here. Then write a tag which will be like animate effect equals to. Then write add. Here I'll be closing and making a tag which will be like animate.effect.add. Close this from here. Then here I'll be moving and writing a tag which will be like app. And then right here a tag which will be like here class equals to. Then I will be writing run. There you have to close this. Then move and now close. Then make a curly bracket in which I will be writing run.app dot class. Close now. Okay, close and close this one. Okay, so when you've done with that, just tell you moving down here again and writing a tag which will be like class clipboard. Here I will be just writing here glass. So when you've done that, just close this tag and write here clipboard here now. So write here clipboard dot, and then you have to write class dot glass. And now just I'll be closing this tag from here. And when you've done with that all things here, I will be simply doing one thing. I will be just moving down here, and then I will be just writing another tag which will be just like here. You can say if I write, and then write here frame equals to for each. And here we have written that. So here I'll be just closing this tag here. Just erase this question mark, then close and make a curly bracket in which I will be writing a tag which will be like yes file dot. Then I will be writing a tag which will be like here active, but we have written that, so I'll be writing that signal. Okay, write signal and now write effect. So here when you've done that, close this tag from here. Then now I will be making this float tag here. So move down here and write float list. Here I will be writing equals to. Then I will be writing a tag which will be like frame. Here close this now, and then I will be just writing but erasing this tag here which I have made. And then I'll be using curly bracket in which I'll be writing float.frame.list and close this here. And you can see we have done with that. Here I'll be writing random error equals to, and then I will be writing plain. Then you have to close this and write. Just now come here, close this and write a tag which will be like plain.random.error. Simply, and I will be just writing here and moving down, which will be like error element equals to. Then I will be writing a tag which will be like help, but we have already done. So here I'll be writing div. Here just close this now. Just I'll be erasing this one. Erase that. Move here and write div dot element dot error and close this. Here you can see we have done that. Now I will be just making a tag which will be like element import equals to code. Then I will be writing this here. I will be writing import dot element dot code. Close this from here. Save this file again, and now it is good. You can also save it by Control S. It will be also given shortcut if I press file. You can see the shortcut is giving Control S. If you want to save as this file, you can press Control Shift S. Save as means like if you want to save in any location, so you can press Control Shift S here. Then I'll be moving down now and writing import URL equals to URI, and write here import.URI here and write URL. So when you've done that, just I'll be now closing this file from here, and then I'll be saving this file. So save that here, and when you've done with that, if I just show you the Google Chrome, so our project should be just ready here. But before, save this file here by pressing Ctrl S or press save by going to file. So if I move to Google Chrome here, you can see that our Ring Central Add-in project is just ready. You can see we are getting all the things like that sidebar which we are just including in that we are just getting. Then after that, at the front page, we are just getting the Ring Central add-in written with the logo of that, then the text written underneath. Here we are also getting the install button after it, which is just only we have made. It will be not working here because we are only making the front page from users. And we have also made the Ring Central, which is just written by Ring Central like from where it has just made. If I scroll down, you can also see how it's worked here. It's worked with these apps which is just here. and these are the ratings of that 3.8 stars rating, average rating. And then there are some of the installer which I have just put. You can also put that. Then the overview, permission, reviews tabs, and we are also getting with arrows, front and back arrows. If I scroll down, you can see overview of that and the text of that which we are getting, and the key features of that which we are just getting here. Then the additional information underneath, you can also say footer tag if you want to say a footer section. You can see developer support, privacy policy, terms of service, and everything are just in that. So just like that, you can build your own Ring Central Admin project in Java, and I hope you understand how to build this project, and I hope you also enjoy this video like I'm enjoying all the videos. So these are all the videos which is just really helpful for you. You can check my previous videos, then move to this video, because if you directly move to this video, so it will be just some of the difficult things for you, because in the starting I tell you what are the important Java codes, how to use Java codes, where to use Java codes, and just where to write some of the Java code. So that things are really important. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned more than enough things from this video. If you do, so please hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, also hit the subscribe button, after that also hit notification bell, from which you will be getting all the notifications of my video. And just also share the video with your friends and family members, so they can also learn programming tips and tricks and land for a job in the future. So just I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, good bye.